Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to install virtual audio cable on your computer. If your computer hasn't got any stereo mixer, then you need to download this one. If you don't have it, just go to download.com. Everything is free. Okay. Just type in virtual audio cable. Okay, just ignore this virtual audio streaming. You don't need that. Just download virtual audio cable. I'm not gonna download it because I already have that. So once you download it, make sure you install that. Okay. Then right here on the below icon, it is control panel. Right click and run as administrator. Okay, make sure that you're running as administrator. Right, down here on cables, just select 2. Okay, make sure that you put number 2 down there. Okay, now go to the red icon, which is the repeater, audio repeater. Open 3 of them. On the first repeater, waveband should be your microphone. Okay, whatever microphone you have in, just make sure you select it. And the wave out is line 2. And the second repeater, wave in should be line 1 and the wave out should be line 2. Okay, and the last repeater, wave in should be line 1 and the wave out should be your speaker. So it can be anything, it can be headset or it can be a speaker. Okay, make sure that you choose the speaker that you wanted to listen to. Okay, you can start them anytime you like, and it should work. Alright, as long as you follow the video, then you'll be okay. Okay, but before you start that, make sure that in the sound you'll see line 1 and line 2. Line 1 should be your default device. If it is not default, then you should select that one as your default device. Okay, just right here, and line 2, there's an option whether to select it as a default device or not. Okay, now click start. If you don't get error, then it should work okay, just like this. If you get as simple as this, then you're good to go. So make sure that all of them are working like this. Okay, so hopefully that you like this video, and if you like this video, please like and share, or you can subscribe as well.